So the market is at a very key, it's approaching a key zone of resistance, okay? I'm going to take the LA wave away for 1 sec, and I'm just going to show you some elementary, simple technicals as to why we're coming into resistance. So this is the NASDAQ daily chart, and we have a few things happening. We have the November 21 high, which really hasn't been tested since we broke out. So that's way back here. Okay. We also have the uptrend line that started from Q4 of last year. A couple touch points, tried to hold it, broke it. Now maybe serving as resistance. We have the moving averages. This is the 200-day moving average that held support. Here's the 50-day moving average that did hold resistance before we backed away, went down to 200, and now we're coming back to the 50. You also have a 618 retracement of the July to August drop. So there's a good zone above us of resistance. Okay, so that goes basically from 19.2K up to 19.4K in the NASDAQ 100. Okay, so whatever, okay, I'm not sure yet what the wave count is. If and when, I'm going to dare say when we respect this. I don't think the market's just going to carve through this unless something absolutely unbelievable happens. I think the market's going to respect this zone of resistance, and the shape of the pullback is going to be telling as to where we go from there. If it's a shallow little 3-wave move, something like this, then it might be the B wave of a B wave, which gives us A, B, C, D, E, sideways consolidation into October, November, which is possible. Okay. There's an alternative. It still says this zone is a significant zone of resistance. The longer term count, I'm still tracking this on the blue. It's still possible that we are 5 up from the 2022 lows. And if it is 5 up, and this count is so ugly, I'm like almost embarrassed to put it in front of you. If it is 5 up, we may have B wave resistance, and then we're going to drop down to retest the 2021 highs. The wave count on the intraday, this is a 97-minute. It works. It's okay. It would be 5 down in A, ABC, X, A, B, C. That same zone of resistance from like 19.2, 19.4 in this zone would still come into play. So it really depends how we handle this zone of resistance that's highlighted here and what the ensuing response is from it. That's going to be really telling. Okay. So I don't know what the wave count is, but I do know this is a significant zone of resistance, right? And I hate to say it, I have my bases covered. I want to see how we respond to this zone. If we fall sharply from this zone, we might be doing C of 2 down. If it's a moderate response from that zone, it's probably this count that we've been tracking on the brown count for a while, which is back off in B from 19.2 to 19.4, eventually regather in the B wave and go back and attack it, go up towards this high, fail, D, E, triangle, and then we go. Or, and I'm telling you, I've got it all covered here, or this was just simply an ABC correction. This is all of 4, and the resistance zone that I've been focusing on is going to be defeated. And if we're defeated pretty easily at 19.2 to 19.4 in the NASDAQ, then okay, then correction over, and we're going to start, we're going to move to new highs. So it's tough. We have to see. We have now 14 days until NVIDIA. We have no Fed. Data is nothing. It might be sideways time. Very well could be. NVIDIA is obviously the most important stock out there. Hi, it's Todd from tradinganalysis.com. Thanks so much for watching. Listen, my team and I have so much to share with you in terms of our technical analysis or fundamental analysis, portfolio management tactics, trading in and out, maybe options, sector rotation. Let us know what's most interesting to you. Maybe drop that in the comments section and we'll do our best to work it in. Also, consider clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we put out new videos. And finally, you can check us out at tradinganalysis.com if you'd like to see us manage our real portfolios in real time. Thanks again for watching.